How to change email to phone number in iMessage. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can change your email to phone number on iMessage. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now what happens is that if you're using iMessage and it gets sent from your email instead of being sent from your phone number, it's actually quite simple to fix it. For this, you have to open the settings application here, and once you launch the settings app, just scroll down and then go to this option right here that says messages and then tap on it. Now right under iMessage here, you can see send and receive two addresses, right? So what happens is that if your iMessage is currently set to email, you have to tap on send and receive and then uncheck email from here in send and receive and only check the phone number. So I repeat, uncheck the email addresses if you have them checked and then only check the phone number, and in that way from email it will get switched to your phone number in iMessage. This way you should be able to change email to phone number in iMessage. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.